Greetings there, YouTubers. In this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to flash a custom recovery TWRP to Samsung J5 SM-J510FN, and I hope this video will be shorter than the last ones, but be warned, if you'll flash the custom recovery, Knox will trigger at 1. And this means that your warranty will be voided. So I am not held responsible for what you do to your devices, and if you've done something wrong or something, watch my video how to restore the application. How to restore your phone. So let's begin. So the first things you'll need are files in the description. You will find TWRP311.tar. Of course, you will need Odin and Samsung USB flash drivers. So let's begin. So the first things first is that you need a USB drivers. So find a USB drivers that I've uploaded. As I mentioned, you'll find them in the description. So where are they? Here they are. So open up this archive and launch the executable. Of course, it'll ask if you want to run it. Click yes. I already have them installed, so we just install them. I won't install them again, as I did in previous videos. Okay, of course, the next thing you'll need is Odin. I already extracted it, but you will find this file. Simply open it up and extract it. And the final file would be this one. This is a TWRP 311.0. So okay, let's switch to the webcam again, because now you'll need to put the phone into the download mode. So before actually entering the download mode, the first things first, you will actually need this zip file. This is used for flashing. And sorry, it's a bit late video and I'm taking, so don't expect it to be perfect, sorry. So okay, where is it? No. Well, here we go. No verify opt encrypt. Copy this file and put it to your phone's SD card. I already have it there, but in any case I'll rewrite it again. Okay, now we can actually enter the download mode. Okay, so right now you should put your phone in the download mode. You can put it on when it's on or when it's off. So to do that, I'm gonna be showing you how to do that on powered on phones. So over here, if you can see, here's a little closer look, there are two buttons. So this one volume up and this one volume down. So press and hold volume down, a home button, and the power button. This will take a screenshot, but keep holding. It will switch off, and here you go, it's switched on. If you can see, it gives me a warning. So press volume up to continue, and it'll say downloading, do not turn off target. Okay, so now back to the PC. Okay, so once that's done, simply open up Odin 3.12.3 modem and connect. If you install the drivers correctly and everything went okay, this should happen. I'm connecting my phone to PC. See? It says added. It means the drivers are working correctly and so on. Okay, so what you should do now is actually go to options. If you want, I would uncheck that, so you could enter the recovery and uncheck this one. Click AP. It'll pop up a file browser. Okay. Now I need to go. Okay, so put this file that I include in the description. Open it. Okay, and all you need to do right now is to click start. This will start flashing, and if everything went okay, it should say pass. For me, we'll see everything went okay. So that's it with flashing, and nothing else is required on PC. Okay, so back to webcam. So once done, it should hang in the download mode. Hold on a little. So we want to enter the recovery, not to the system. So in this case, you have to take out the battery and it's done. And put it right back. Close the lid. Now you'll need a special key combination to enter the recovery. That would be over here, if visible. If you can see these keys, man, I can't see them. Ah, here it is. Press power up, volume up, home button, and power on button, and hold them for a while. And keep holding them until you see this screen that will pop up. Here we go. And here, as you can see, the TWRP is installed successfully. Select language. And that's it. Now you can actually work with the TWRP recovery. I don't know why you cannot see it. But in any case, you can mount the file systems and etc. So this is how you flash TWRP. Have a nice day, YouTubers. Appendix YouTubers, I forgot to tell you that never disable OEM unlock unless otherwise you'll break your phone once you reboot it. So and one more thing, remember the zip file that I told you. So you need to install it in order to make data partition visible. Visible for TWRP. So as I told you before, enter the recovery. Hold on, it's powering on recovery. Over here where it says install. Click install. Press over here to select storage. Micro SD card. Okay. And select no verify encrypt 60 as it says here. Select this file, and what you'll need to do is to actually swipe this bar, and it'll show you this screen that it's installing. And once done, click reboot system and your phone will reboot to normal mode. But as I mentioned, the Knox gets ticked, so there's no turning back. Okay, YouTubers, have a nice day.